discussion thus far. Today what we're going to be doing is the variance. Variance is one of those types of concepts that leads you into the standard deviation. So we're going to be covering that today. So we're going to start off with this data. This is the monthly salary of 5 individuals. So the first step is we need to find the sample mean. So in order to find the mean, we're going to add all these values up and then divide by the number of values. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So if we add all those together, so X bar means sample mean. So I'll just put that up here. And if we do the math, we're going to do 1,000 plus 2,600 plus 2,900 plus 1,700 and 5,800. We get a total of 14,000. And then we're going to divide by the number 5, and that should give us 2,800. So that would be our sample mean. So we're just going to put that here in each column. Kind of keep everything organized. All right, great. So the second step would be we would subtract the mean from the monthly salary. So minus and we're going to do 1,000. I know there's 2,800, 1,800, and that's okay if it's a negative. Don't freak out. We will be fixing that in a second. So minus 2,800. It should be 100. That should be 3. So this is going to equal x minus x4. This is the difference of our monthly salary minus our mean. And we'll get this number. And so what we want to do is we want to square each of these differences that we came up with. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to just illustrate it like this for us to kind of visualize it a little better. And this is why it's okay to have a negative, because the squaring is going to get rid of the negative. Let's see what we get. Okay, 100 squared, 1,000, and 1,100 squared. Yeah, missing a 0 here. Okay, big numbers. Okay, just want to double check I got all those numbers right. So now what we're going to do is, now that we've gotten all the way to this step, we're just going to add all these up. So we're going to go down like this, and then we'll get a number here. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we get this huge number here. So now that we have this number here, we're going to divide by n minus 1. I'm going to do this so that we can see what we're doing. Which we have, n was 5. That's the number of salaries that we have. Minus 1, so 4. Go ahead and do that. We get this lovely variance of Alright, so that's our variance. I'll put that here. And then to find the standard deviation, all you need to do is take the square root of this huge number. So, square root. We have 1160.93 rounded. And this would be our standard deviation. So when you're doing this problem, it is kind of a step-by-step process, but I think doing it and laying it out this way makes you more confident that not only did you do the math correctly, but if you made an error in your signs or anything like that, you can trace exactly where you made the mistake. So just when you have the formula and you have the standard deviation formula on your formula sheet, just make sure to kind of step it out this way and not think of the huge, scary formula. And hopefully maybe this can help you break it down. Thank you.